Hi guys, in this video we will present to you SoundForge Pro 13. What is SoundForge Pro 13? SoundForge Pro 13 is chock full of powerful new features. The most obvious is its upgraded interface. It's customizable with 4 color levels, a new icon design, and revised docking. A new VST engine and ARA2 support supply more stability and efficiency. Benefit from spot-on metering, thanks to PeakMeter V2. Experience precise dynamic control and spacious echoes, by virtue of new Core FX mastering and delay effects. What's more, Z-Plane's Elastic Pro V3 engine ensures natural, artifact-free time stretching and pitch shifting. Thanks to its customizable working environment, the engineers here at Sweetwater find that SoundForge Pro makes capturing audio as productive as possible. Adjust and monitor up to 32 channels of incoming audio, then arm, record, and review your work all in a single workspace. SoundForge Pro also includes a fantastic waveform overview bar to simplify file navigation and innovative recording options such as one-touch recording and schedule recording for automatic sound capture. Visit our site in description and get more info about SoundForge Pro 13.